Hey guys, today I will create this animation. It's sunny day in Japan, so good, but I couldn't sleep much. Okay, let's go. First, create shape layer and select ellipse to create circle. Okay, align this shape layer circle and select this shape layer and layer auto trace. Okay, add effect Saber. Customize core type, change Saber to layer masks and change preset. Select to arc reactor. Arc reactor is this batch animation. Okay, and start offset and end offset. Change end offset 100 to 50 and start size is 20. Okay, I want this lettering circle move this, so I will rotate this circle. Click mask evolution pressing Alt, type calculate 100. Oh, that's moving. Duplicate this layer and change color. Red. And change that offset to 50 and end offset is 100. Blending mode is not good, so these red circles blending mode is green. Okay, nice. And go create lightning circle. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.